Hi everyone, it's Emily. Yesterday I received a package from the UK, and this is from a print seller and bookseller. And today I'm going to open up the package. I know Karen ordered these, but I have no idea what's inside. So let's both check it out. I want to be super careful opening this package. Some interesting packaging here. It's well protected. I appreciate that, but this is going to be interesting to get open. I think I can get the goodies out now. Okay, here's the invoice. Anything else left in here? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's see what we have in our new package. Okay, hopefully, let's start with some of the bigger ones. Ooh, it's a beautiful print of an egg. I really love this one with all the different colors that we have. Let's look kind of at the quality a little bit. Really cute pink one. Some nice blue ones as well. Okay, so we have an egg print. Let's see what else. Here's another egg print. I like this one a little bit better. Some really interesting eggs. This would be great for an individual print to hang up and frame, or you could actually isolate some of these the larger eggs, really pretty. Let's see what else. Oh, looks like we have some species of hummingbirds. This would make a great bundle for the summer months. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just make sure. Really pretty. That one's really interesting over there. What else do we have? Oh, this is a really pretty, hopefully I can get this for you, a title page. Look at that typography. Really pretty, and looks to be hand colored. Love everything about that. So this one we ordered, I think we bought these maybe a couple months ago. Karen said that she bought them, so we're just finally getting them. So I'm glad that they've arrived. This is really cute, the pansies. I love that it's in a planting pot. You don't see that too often. A lot of times you just see the floral illustration, so that's really cute, and I love the colors on the pansy. I think this one is just it's just one. Huh, somebody tried to draw on the back, trace through. But again, another really beautiful illustration for the spring. And here, this looks like a title page as well, with the title of the book. Love the lily. So pretty. And here, is there two here? That's just a page. Really pretty isolated. Some different daisies, and looks like maybe a dandelion. And I love ferns. These are really beautiful. These are great for layering in digital collages. They're great with they're an interesting textural background for a lot of things, but you can mix them well with, you know, a bird or something like that. They go really well with black and white images too, so I love using them. And here's another fern plate. Let me see if I can get a little bit of the detail. Okay, so it looks like we have a nice set here, some natural history images from our print and bookseller in the UK. And I'm really excited. These may go into a few different bundles. Not really sure exactly how we're going to group these yet, but these will probably go into a couple different future bundles. So I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek. I had no idea what was coming, and I am pleasantly surprised. Don't forget, if you'd like to see more sneak peeks of some of the packages and prints that we're putting together for future bundles to show you on the membership site, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for any updates. We'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.